Amnesia beast, don't forget the money, man.
What's up, guys? We're at the shop. I actually got to finish this build that I'm doing for this young kid. I ended up putting that C-notch in there. Originally it had, I'm assuming the previous owner put a in-frame notch, but I'm pretty much done with the truck. All I really got to do is cut the bed out and then probably trim these just to clear those wheels, the tubs or the bed sides. These were actually in there, but all it had was this bolt and this bolt. And that's all it had in there. So I'm assuming the previous owner did it or somebody did it for them. But actually the frame ended up cracking and it ended up kind of bending downwards, which caused the gap between the bed and the cab. The gap at the bottom was wide and it was tight up top. So usually pretty much when we unbolted the bed, freaking truck dropped in the center. We had to jack it back up, try to get the line straight, and then I had to clamp some angle iron before we put the notch. We had to clamp some angle iron in underneath or inside the bed rail right here, just to get it straight. Slid the C-notches over, welded them up, and then removed it. But yeah, that's how it sits right now. We did the recklez C-notch, recklez monster C-notch, and then they had already had the flip kit, which was I think it was a 6-inch drop. Yeah, usually flip kits are 6-inch drops. Then we went ahead and did the drop shackle or the drop hanger for another, I want to say 1 inch or 2 inches, and then the 2-inch drop shackles. So this kit's probably sitting at around 9 inch drop or 10, close to it. But yeah, I'm probably gonna move the truck out. I'm probably gonna flip the bed upright. That way I can just cut standing up and I don't gotta be inside the bed and whatnot. But yeah, let's get to it. All right, guys, I got the bed cut out. And also went ahead and trimmed these, like y'all seen. Now we just got to set it on there, test fit it, make sure everything's good, and if it is, bolt it down. The one to be on the vlog. What's going on, Manny? Homeboy said we're gonna be doing drop shackles and a underbend notch, right?
Yeah.
What do you got on there right now?
4.6.
You got a 4.6, and then you're doing a 2-inch.
3 inch.
3-inch. So he's going for that. For 4.9. Little G taking it for a test drive. Gonna check it out. See how it rides.
You're gonna want the muffler tip, right?
What's going on, G? How you like it?
It's good.
Good? Homie went with that C-notch, recklez. Took it for a test drive, said everything run good. Well, now we just now it's up to what's the next step for this?
I don't know yet.
Not yet.